When a power system is pushed beyond its limit, one smart decision can prevent a total blackout. This is where an automatic load shedding system comes into action. In this video, we will see how an automatic load shedding system works step by step in a real industrial environment. Electric power enters the facility through the main supply line. Sensor immediately begin monitor voltage, current and system frequency. Every second, the system check how much power is being consumed and how much is available. All electrical load inside the facilities are already divided into priority groups. Critical load like control systems and essential machines must always stay on. Semi-critical loads can be disconnected if needed. Non-essential loads are the first to be sacrificed during overload condition. As power demand increases, the system detects a drop in frequencies and rising current level. This is a clear sign that the power source is under stress. The controller instantly compares real-time data with the present safety threshold. When limits are crossed, the automatic load shedding sequence is activated. Non-essential loads are disconnected first. Contractor opens smoothly, cutting power to selected machines. Critical equipment continuously operating without interruption. At the same time, the backup generator receives a start command. The generator comes online automatically and share the load. An automatic transfer switch ensures a seamless power transition. Inside the control room, the PLC and monitoring system update in real time. Operator can clearly see which loads are shared and which remain active. No manual intervention is required. On the factory floor, the difference is visible. Some machines are safely shut down while essential operations continue running smoothly. As system conditions stabilize, voltage and frequency return to normal level, the load sharing controller now prepare for restoration. Loads are restored step by step in the correct priority order. Sudden power surge are avoided, protecting both equipment and the power source. The automatic load shedding system has done its job. Blackout are prevented, critical operations stay online, equipment remain protected. This intelligent balance between demand and supply is what makes modern power systems reliable and safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real-world engineering explanation.